Hello everyone. Been thinking about Proposition 8 and the decision that came down recently striking down Proposition 8 in California. For those of you who don't know, Proposition 8 is the banning of same-sex marriage in California. And it was struck down, interestingly enough, with a feminist argument that since the importance of gender roles had been removed from marriage, i.e. women were no longer property, and that the property of the wife did not automatically go to the husband effectively and everything. That gender roles were unimportant in marriage. It sounds simple enough to me. Obviously, I'm making overly simple a very complex legal argument, but the other part of it was that the Constitution can't support or tolerate prejudices or biases. So it's very, very good. But I was worried about it and waiting for appeals to go through federal courts and the Supreme Court, yada, 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 or federal appeals court and Supreme Court. And I read something today that gave me hope. One very complex issue that conservatives and many others have been using to deny plaintiffs access to the courts is the concept of standing. And I realize this is an important legal principle that does have its positive uses, but it has been abused the same way the filibuster was abused, is being abused, to make an analogy. But the concept of standing is who has the right to sue. If I want to sue you for something, I have to prove that you did damages to me. So the only one that can sue on behalf of the state of California is the governor and the attorney general, essentially, in this case of this statute. Imperial County in California wanted to be a co-plaintiff, but they couldn't because all they do is issue marriage licenses. It is not their responsibility to defend constitutional amendments to the California Constitution. And at this moment, there is no one with the standing to appeal the judge's decision because the governor and state attorney general have both declined to appeal. So come August 18th, when the stay, or when when Proposition 8 effectively ends, unless there's an appeal, that may be it. It may be over, which would be fantastic. Just look for wingnut heads to explode all over. But I'm heartened, and congratulations to everyone on August 18th when you run out to go get married. Thank you for your time and attention.